This is Pioneer's MVH-S720BHS. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM digital media receiver with built-in HD radio and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The MVH-S720BHS is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the MVH-S720BHS features a 31-band EQ. The MVH-S720BHS is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. And it works with SiriusXM satellite radio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, let's pop this open here. There we go. And the first thing we get is the wire harness. So this is the electrical wire harness that we'll use to make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle. Those connections include power, ground, speaker connections, that sort of thing, all through this. Next up, we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools and some install screws. There's a bag of tools there. Then we have the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Let's open up the flap here, and we can pull the Quick Start Guide. There's the Quick Start Guide, and please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right onto your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, here is the warranty card. There we go, there's the warranty card. So let's get the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the MVH-S720BHS has a large rotary volume knob here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite compatible nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. Use this button to make and receive hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. Radio station presets for the built-in HD radio tuner are across the bottom. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music files from a USB flash drive. The system features multicolor illumination. Please note, the MVH-S720BHS does not play CDs. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the MVH-S720BHS, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The optional SXV300 tuner from SiriusXM will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer MVH-S720BHS has a built-in amplifier designed to operate with up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 3 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low outputs. And that is Pioneer's MVH-S720BHS. And what's in the box?